You may want some troubleshooting steps that you can do from the portal. If so, some useful features are going to extensions and using the lights along the left side of the extension. Those coloured red will be offline and those coloured green will be online. If you need the specific IP that it's registering from, go to status and registrations. This again will show you all of the extensions that are currently registered. As you can see here, extension 1003, 2 and 1. It also shows you the local IP that that extension is using to help you find out if it's on a different network from the rest. It also shows you some useful information such as the SIP port that it's using or not using. If left blank, like in these two cases, it will be port 5060 being used. It will also show you the protocol that the phone's using. In this case we can see UDP. These two are TCP. It also shows you the model number that extension is using in the agent section. You may want to do a remote reboot of the phone. To do so, click on the toggle button next to the registration and select Reboot and continue. That will bring the phone offline, and after refreshing you can see that that extension has been taken down. If you wish to boot someone off, select their extension and select Unregister.